What's stopping you from making money? The habit of spending everything. A high salary does not guarantee the availability of savings if a person does not know how to properly manage money and be financially literate. You can save at any income, the main thing is to properly manage your personal budget. Lack of motivation and clear goals. Our brain does not perceive vague formulations. If you want results, set goals and deadlines precisely. Abstract goals are not suitable. Borrowed life. Before you start saving, investing and other tools, it is important to get rid of debt. They will be a heavy burden to pull you down if you do not deal with them in time. Spontaneous spending. Impulse buying eats up the lion's share of income. It is important to be able to stop in time, think and evaluate how much you need this purchase.